Have you ever been about to bake something great only to realize you're missing an ingredient? Don't sweat. We're going to help you with these 6 perfectly acceptable baking substitutes. Missing 1 teaspoon baking powder? Use a 1/4 teaspoon baking soda plus a 1/2 teaspoon cream of tartar. Missing 1 teaspoon baking soda? Use 3 teaspoons baking powder. Missing 1 cup unsalted butter? Take your pick between 1 cup shortening or 3/4 cup Libby's pure pumpkin. Missing 1 cup light corn syrup? Combine 1 cup white sugar with a 1/4 cup of water. Missing 1 cup buttermilk? Try 1 tablespoon of lemon juice or vinegar and add enough milk to make 1 cup. Missing 1 whole egg? Try a 1/4 cup egg substitute or a 1/4 cup Libby's pure pumpkin. Our missing ingredients mission? Deliciously complete. See you later, Nestle Bakers.